In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a two-color font that we created in our Coreldraw EasyStone Masterclass session on March 28th. And for those of you who have registered for those classes, this font is now available for download in your order history. So if you just go check out your order history on the website and look up the Masterclass order registration, then you'll see this file is now available in the downloads for you, for those who have already registered. Now, for everyone else, this font is also available on the website. If you just type in academic M54, you'll find this font is listed as well. All right, so in the master class, we showed you how we would go about creating the font, and then we walked you through a little bit about how to create a true type font as well using EasyStone. But EasyStone and Coreldraw only have the capability to take us so far. And so what I did is I brought the output from EasyStone into another software called Font Creator. So if you just Google Font Creator, you'll find it. It's a few $100 font program specifically designed for font designers. So it's a little bit more money than most of us will spend because we don't make a lot of fonts ourselves typically. But what that does is it enables me to create a font that's a two-color font that's really simple and easy to use. So let me just show you how this works. Now I'm going to show you how to do it in EasyStone first, but then if you don't have EasyStone, then I'll show you how to do it just using Coreldraw. So the first thing, we're just going to type out our name, and I'm using all uppercase. You don't have to use, you could use uppercase or lowercase, it really doesn't matter. So we'll go ahead and then we'll open up our font manager here in EasyStone. And we'll come into the Font Finder tab and the Font Finder subtab and choose the Academic M54 two-color, and that will give us our outline. And then to get our second color fill, we just click on the two-color Easy Text, and that's what that'll do for you. So you can see it's a perfect outline, perfect fill. This is now ready to go to cut, ready to go for you. All right, so what we do if we just have Coreldraw, it's basically a similar process. We go ahead and type out our name again. We will change our font type. Now here's where things get a little bit different. To get our fill, it's a multi-step process. It's not just simple as clicking a button. So if we want the fill, then what we have to do is we have to either hit Control-C and Control-V, and that will basically make a duplicate right on top of itself, or we can just hit the plus key on your numeric keypad, which is what I typically would do. Hit the plus key on my numeric keypad, and then we have a duplicate sitting right on top of one another, and then I'm going to double-click on it, and that will switch us over to our text edit function. You can see here we have a blinking cursor here inside our text, and then we'll double-click again. And what that does is it selects all of our text, and then I can right click and choose change case, toggle case. Okay, and now we have our fill, and of course we could give it a different color just by clicking on one of these colored squares, and then you can see we have a perfect outline, perfect fill, ready to go, and go ahead and cut this out. So that's how to work with this new two-color font using EasyStone and the font manager and that two-color easy text option. And then also, if we don't have EasyStone, how we would go about using it right here inside Coreldraw. Thanks for watching.